What is the breakfast? Puttu?
No, sir. Today it was appam.
Appam only. Good. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Welcome to Bank of Maharashtra Scale 2 mock interview.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell about yourself briefly?
Okay, sir.
And if you don't want people to know about your name and all, don't tell. Just tell broadly.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is I am from Trivandrum and I am working with Axis Bank Reguiding branch as an operations head. I'm with Axis for the last 10 years.
Yeah.
And before joining Axis, I was with Dhanashri Bank, and prior to that, I was with ICC Bank.
Super. So total number of years in service in banking, how many years? Hello? 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 I think there is some problem in the line. I have to. Hello?
I got disconnected, sir.
Yeah. No,
total 14 years experience, sir.
Super. Your profile is excellent profile. 14 years. Great. Excellent. Now, the first question you will face is, as I told you yesterday,
Yeah.
So why do you want to jump to our Bank of Maharashtra?
Okay. So my answer is that actually for the last 14 years I was in retail banking and I was in the I need to have a complete exposure towards the banking, like rural banking, exposure to credit, to serve the rural people, to make them aware of the government schemes, etc. So for doing all these things, I want to join a nationalist bank. That's why I'm planning to join Bank of Maharashtra.
Oh, good. So probably in your private sector banks, involvement for priority sector and all may not be that much eagerly done.
Yes, sir.
Maybe that is the reason. Did you study for JAB and all in the course of 14 years?
Yeah, I have completed my JAB and I am on the way for my CAB.
Oh, on the way for CAB.
Yes.
It is okay. Nice. What is your basic degree?
I completed my BCom. Then after that, I did my MBA in marketing and finance from Maharashtra University.
Achha, that was under correspondence?
No, regular.
Regular? Achha?
Yeah.
What did you study in MBA?
Marketing and finance, dual specialization.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell me something about marketing? What are the qualities required for a good marketing official?
The good quality means two things. In my opinion, two things we need to have. One is that we should have a thorough knowledge of the product that we are selling, and we should sell this product to the right mix of the customers. These are the two things that is needed for an efficient marketing person.
You mean to say that we should reach the people who need it?
Yes.
Rather than going after people who may not need it.
Yes.
That's what you say, na?
Yes, sir.
But identifying that only is a problem.
Yeah. No, when we are thorough in our product, we will be knowing who are the target customers.
Good. Can you highlight one or two products of your bank which is very good and you have been playing nicely?
Obviously, one is the priority savings account, and the another one is life insurance.
What is that priority savings account?
Priority savings account is the minimum balance they need to maintain is 2 lakh rupees. The main advantage is that daily they can withdraw 1 lakh rupees from any ATM. Then, any ATM is free of cost for them. Airport lounge access is there.
Oh, I think similar scheme is there for South Indian Bank also.
Yeah. All these banks are having that.
South Indian Bank has it. I was teaching them in that one. There I read this. Very good. What is the other one you said?
The other one, earlier it was life insurance, but post-COVID, everybody is running behind health insurance. So now we are actively selling this health insurance product for almost all our customers.
Can
Health
you
insurance means,
can you explain about that product?
yeah, we are having a tie-up with Aditya Birla.
Hmm.
And the main advantage is that if an Axis customer is joining at any age, the same premium he needs to remit at till 55 years. There won't be any extra loading coming.
Hmm.
Usually, life insurance, every year some loading will be coming. For this
Is
product,
this
if it is
life insurance or medical
health
insurance?
insurance, medical insurance, health insurance.
Health insurance.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it about? How it is working?
How it is working means a customer who had taken it after 30 days, they can have the claim. They can go for the claim.
Hmm.
If it is a premium
Oh,
variant, there won't be.
there is no blockage period of first 2 years. No.
No, for the premium product, there is no blockage. Otherwise, 2 year blockage is there for pre-existing illness. If there is no pre-existing illness, after 30 days, we can go for the hospitalization benefits.
The one you are telling is premium product.
Yeah, premium product.
Here there is no block.
No block.
I mean, pre diseases also covered.
Yeah. Pre-disease also covered.
And up to 55 years, similar.
Same premium.
Same premium. And maximum age up to which one can take policy?
Maximum age is 50, 55.
50.
No. It depends. It depends. In this product only is, then senior citizen product is there. Senior citizen means they can go up to 65 years.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's right. So like this only we get caught, We will ask you some detail. We must be knowing about it. So kindly revise it fully. So that you can tell it nicely. Otherwise, you started off with lot of happiness and very jovially you started. Good. I'm happy.
Okay.
You are in Trivandrum.
Yes, sir, Trivandrum.
Tell me 3 good points about Trivandrum.
The first point is that Trivandrum is the home for the richest temple in the world. Sri Padmanabha Swami temple.
Yeah.
And the second one is that here there is a Kovalam beach is there. A lot of foreigners, everybody is coming here. And third one is that here we have the rocket launching center, Tumba. Tumba equatorial rocket launching system.
Correct. No, but one thing, instead of temple, you can tell about your IT center, if anything there in your country. You tell that instead of temple. Temple is not a bad thing, but jarurat nahi.
Okay.
But tourism, okay, because it is business.
Okay.
So that way we can manage that question. Good.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Will you be able to relocate yourself?
Yes, sir. While applying itself, I have mentally prepared that I won't be getting a posting in my hometown. I'm willing to relocate.
Not within Kerala, Baba. We will post you to Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata.
No issue, sir. Wherever the posting is, I'll be ready to go. I'm ready to go.
How many kids do you have? What are they studying?
One small kid. She's having only 2-year-old.
She's only 2-year-old.
Yeah.
Oh, you got married very late.
Yeah.
It's okay. So your wife is working?
No, she's not working. So relocation is not a problem.
Relocation is not a problem.
Yeah.
Language, will it be a problem for you? Supposing we post you to Kolkata.
So language means I can read and write Tamil, English, Malayalam, Hindi. Speaking means I can manage Hindi. I can understand Hindi, no issues. Tamil is okay for me.
बात कर सकते हैं आप?
थोड़ा.
इसलिए तो अब जब समय मिलता है, जब आप हिंदी फिल्म ज्यादा देख रहा.
Okay, sir. Sure.
देखने से तो आपको पता हो जाएगा.
Sure, sir.
Good. Being a banker, one has to know many languages.
Yes, sir.
You may get a customer who is very good in Telugu. Then you must learn Telugu also for you. Yeah.
Sure.
That's right. Good. So how would you like to be called? As a deposit man, advance man, HR man, loan recovery man. Of these 4 roles, which area would you like yourself to be classified?
Right now, I can be called as a deposit man.
Achha? You're good in
Yeah,
deposits. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, good. Yeah, I'm good at deposit, but I would like to become an advanced man also.
Why?
Because without having a complete knowledge of advance, a person cannot be called as a banker. That's my purview.
Oh,
Thought.
but advance is a very dangerous area. Na? People take money, they don't repay money.
So banking itself is a risky business. It's how we deal with the customers and how we manage it.
That is a very good, very good, very good. No, you said you are a deposit man.
Yeah.
Have you been able to reach the targets that your bank fixes for you?
Yes, sir. We were able to manage. The main thing is that for deposit and all, what we will be doing is that we will be approaching all the organizations in and around our vicinity. That is in Trivandrum.
Acha, acha. You mean companies?
Companies and government organizations.
Oh, government
Because,
also. Correct, correct. Oh,
yeah, this government organization, they will be parking bulk FD and all.
oh. But will it not involve a lot of other problems in getting the money, you know? Is it say without any problems or linked to some advantages,
No,
disadvantages?
no, nothing like that. Because being a private sector bank, we won't be able to give any extra advance and all. Because anything has to be given, it should be given from the pocket only. Bank won't be giving anything.
So,
And
so it is open.
yeah, it's open here.
Very good, very good. I'm really happy to know that you are able to get it like that. And
Okay,
even now, there are sincere people in government organizations also.
okay, sir.
That's good. That's really nice. You have been provided with car facility in your branch.
No, sir. Earlier, Axis Bank was providing car facility to the branch head and all, but after sometimes for cost cutting, they have stopped that practice.
Oh, they pay you petrol allowance or something like that.
Nothing like that. Everything has to be borne from our hand only.
Achha, no petrol allowance,
No petrol allowance.
no newspaper allowance.
No.
What is this? If a small bank like South Indian Bank is giving for clerical staff also newspaper allowance, petrol allowance, so many allowances.
No, sir. Here it is not there. No allowances and all. It's a
Lump sum.
lump sum only.
It's okay. It is all what we are entitled to. It is like this, you know. Supposing there are three eyes, would you like to have the third eye also or not?
I didn't get you, sir.
The question, it is not easy to understand. We were talking about many facilities like newspaper, this, that, and all, you know.
Yeah.
But your bank, it is not being paying, but it's okay. It is like now, supposing God appears before you and says, you can have your third eye. Would you like to opt for it?
No, sir. Whatever is entitled to me in a genuine way, I'm okay with it.
No. Suddenly, new regulation comes. All human beings will have three eyes. All human beings will have three eyes.
Okay, yeah.
But it is left to the option. It is left to the option of the people. Would you like to opt or not?
Yes, I will be opting if a new regulation is coming.
Yeah. It is similar to our vaccination, where they have introduced vaccination. Many were hesitating to take vaccination.
Yeah.
Instead, we should consider it positively and then take it. So that's good. That's really nice. Now, why should we select you?
Because I have already almost 14 years experience. I strongly believe that with this experience and the way I have been brought up in this private sector bank, I can contribute towards the business of public sector banks in a bigger way. Good. Because we have many marketing strategies, we have been following it, we have been practicing it, we have been doing it. So it will be beneficial.
But do you think the practices you have been following in private sector may be applicable in public sector also?
The thing is that the same strategy we cannot use in a public sector bank. But our aim should be what we were doing in Axis in the private sector bank. That is achieving the target. In private sector bank, they will be using a very tough way.
Hmm.
Everywhere tough way and all won't work. But we can formulate a plan and we can go ahead.
Good, 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 good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Now, among the bosses you have had so far,
Yeah.
mention 2 or 3 qualities which you would like to learn from them.
Now I have a boss. Actually, he's not well versed with all the banking products and all,
Hmm.
but he's excellent in bringing business. 2 things I have learned from him. One is relationship management, and second one is follow up.
Hmm.
He will have any number of relationships.
Hmm.
So getting a business for him is not a big task.
Hmm.
And the follow up he is maintaining. If a business is about to crack, he will follow up to whatever department at any time.
Oh, excellent,
These two
excellent. Very good. I could understand what you say, namely follow up.
Yes, sir, follow up.
Yeah, follow up is a very important thing. Anything we don't read for few days, we forget.
Yes, sir.
For example, when we go abroad for 6 months, when we return back, you have to believe me, we may not know where the switch off for that particular light fan is.
Yes, sir.
So that much, because we are not familiar with that. That is the reason. Good. Now, what is the rate of interest in your bank for 1 year fixed deposit?
In 1 year, normal person it is 5.5, 5.15, and senior citizen it is 5.80.
5.80.
80.
That means you are allowing 0.65 more for them.
Yes.
Oh, many banks they give only 0.50, but your bank they give 0.65.
Yes, sir.
Since when? For a long time it has been like this, or what?
And actually, yesterday I checked my rate. It varies from time to time, sir.
Oh, it has been varying from time to time. Excellent, excellent. Yeah. Now, in your bank, do you get occasions for NEFT, RTGS, remittances, and all? Is it
Yeah,
that
daily it is happening.
daily it is happening, Acha?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Do you provide locker service?
Yeah, we have lockers at almost all the branches.
In your branch, how many lockers may be there?
It's 32 lockers are there.
Only
32.
ये क्या बच्चा है? Only 32.
Actually, the problem
Maybe
was
space is not there.
Yeah, small space only.
Space is not there. That's why you are having 32. That's okay. Why do banks rent out lockers?
Bank rent out lockers for 2 things. One is locker income. And another thing is that customer stickiness, because a customer holding locker always have a attachment towards that bank.
Making this as a tool to get further accounts.
Further business, yes, sir.
Good. You have told this point nicely. Yeah. What is the relationship between banker and customer in the case of locker?
Locker.
Lessor, lessee.
Lesser,
lessee. In the case of deposit accounts?
Principal agent.
Huh? Deposit accounts.
Deposit account.
Debtor, creditor.
Debtor, creditor.
In the case of advance account, creditor, debtor.
Okay.
In the case of collection of checks or where you do agency services, banker is agent, customer is principal.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can a minor be appointed as an agent?
Minor cannot be an agent, sir.
Huh?
Minor cannot be an agent.
Minor can be an agent. Minor cannot appoint another agent.
Okay.
That is the rule, Contract Act. Yeah, very good, very good. Now, does it mean that you don't know much about advances?
I'm not much.
You have not much exposure to advances.
Yes, sir.
Only one test question. Can you tell me what are the areas coming under priority sector?
So priority sector, it comes on. Agriculture is there, MSME is there, renewable energy is there. So infrastructure development, housing loan, all these things comes from education loan. These things comes under priority sector.
Yeah, housing loan, education loan. There are totally 9.
No. Renewable energy is there, sir. Infrastructure, social infrastructure, something like that. So there.
Yeah, let me read out. Agriculture and allied activities.
Okay.
Small scale industries, direct and indirect finance.
Okay.
Small business service enterprises.
Okay.
Microcredit.
Okay.
That is products, very small amounts, not exceeding 50,000 per borrower.
Okay.
Then education loans.
Okay.
Housing loans.
Okay.
Then renewable energy sector. Infrastructure also. Did I tell you about infrastructure? No.
No.
I don't know why it is not here. That this list must be wrong list. This is not a this is not a comprehensive list. Now I have my RBI list with me. I'm giving that link to this video.
Okay, sir.
Priority sector, yeah, RBI list. Agriculture, micro, small, export credit.
Export credit, okay.
Education, housing, social infrastructure, renewable energy, and others. Yeah. Apart from that, some latest they have added something. You know that?
No, sir.
Some 9th sector they added. 1 minute. Let us check it up in google.com.
Okay.
New sector in priority sector 2021. 20. Last year it was added. Yeah, 1 minute. RBI releases revises target. And now and then it gets changed,
Okay, sir.
So that is the thing. And some startup was introduced recently.
Stand up India, sir.
Huh?
Stand up India.
Something like that.
Okay.
So please go through that, check it up also. Good.
Okay.
See, one thing, you say you don't know advances, so they may not pressurize you.
Okay.
Because they can ask anything like, say, what is that is not advances under your control in your branch?
No, sir. We don't have to do much in advance. We just have to generate leads from the customers and hand it over to the consultant.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
So that means that is why you don't know about it.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Now I understand. So I can't blame you also. But tell me why advance is important for bank.
Advance is important means in our bank itself, what we were doing is that for suppose personal loan, we will be doing activity in Technopark for personal loan. So those customers will get attracted. So what we do is that if they are eligible, we will start an account for them. Disperse the loan, get a life insurance. So all the 3 products are gone. And the customer will remain with the branch or bank also.
Good.
Future also we have options.
What you said is 100% not wrong, but the simple answer for this could have been the bank has to make advances in order to earn interest.
Okay.
And it has to earn interest because it has to make payment of interest on deposit.
Okay.
Not only that, it has to make payment of dividend to its shareholders.
Okay.
So banking main function is accepting deposits and making advances to others.
Okay.
What is Negotiable Instruments Act? Hello?
I can hear you, sir. Not sure, sir.
No, simply you could have managed like this. That so that is an act which tells about the transactions in respect of checks, bills of exchange, and promissory note.
Okay.
See, as a banker, what you need is only check.
Okay.
For you, mainly check and also promissory note.
Okay.
Promissory note in the advances section. You are not concerned about that. You are concerned only about a check.
Okay.
Check, what are the punishments offered for return of checks? Now tell me, you are in the branch. Are you seeing how many checks are being returned and all that? Any idea? Anything is reported to you or not?
No. Daily, one or two checks will get returned in clearing.
No. It will be decided by you only or by others.
No. In clearing only, not by me. It's in the clearing.
No. Clearing the check comes if the balance is not there. The allowing overdraft facility. Okay, who has got that power? Some other manager?
Yeah, some other manager.
Oh. Nowadays, how many checks are being returned for want of funds?
It's when compared to the previous time, it is very less only nowadays because due to this CTS clearing, we bankers don't have much options to call the customer and say fund your account, otherwise the check will return. Because nowadays it will automatically get returns.
Correct. Excellent. That's one. And number two, why the number of checks have come down? Can you tell me the reason why it has come down?
Because now the electronic transfers are getting momentum. So people giving checks, demand drafts came down drastically. Nowadays, most of them are preferring this electronic payment methods like NEFT, RTGS, Google Pay, everything like that.
Correct. Electronic banking, electronic transfers, then this UPI banking.
UPI banking.
Through that also we can remit. I don't know up to how much amount can we remit in Google Pay maximum? Any idea?
1 lakh.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking. 1 lakh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was showing 1 lakh, but I haven't done that. It was showing 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Achha. So that means there is no need for any. And that way, number of DDs also must have come down nowadays.
Yeah. It came down.
DD commission, you are all charging too high commission, Bob. Banks normally they charge a very heavy commission. Correct?
Yes, sir. Very high commission for
But that has been stopped now because you can simply remit money through, you say, our RTGS and NEFT, IMPS. IMPS, what is the maximum amount?
2 lakhs.
Sure?
Sure.
Oh.
Per transaction, 2 lakhs.
Oh, I don't know because always I have been remitting only 1,000, 2,000 like that. Very good.
Okay.
So you are now thorough with whatever work you are doing.
Yes, sir.
So that way you deserve to be appointed.
Thank you, sir.
Or you said you are willing to get yourself relocated anywhere?
Anyway, yes, sir.
No problem. After how many months will you ask for transfer to native place?
In Nationalized Bank, I think it is 3 years, but depends on the condition. And anyway, before 3 years,
no,
I'm not going to ask.
You are answering like a child. You can as well say, I will not ask transfer. Okay. Who comes and is the interviewer is going to come and check with you after 5 years?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
You can as well manage simply by telling, no, sir, I won't seek any transfers.
Okay, sir.
Supposing you are asked to give 3 state preferences. Tell me, what are the 3 states?
Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra.
Excellent. Kerala, Tamil Nadu.
3 languages I can manage.
Manage language wise. That's the reason.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir.
Absolutely no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Supposing I go and ask your boss, this boy, in what area should he improve? Manslayo?
Manslayo.
Tell me, what will he tell me? Yeah, I'm not asking in your presence.
Okay.
I am meeting him on the way.
Okay.
In the Rasta. and I come to know he is your boss.
Okay.
And luckily, unluckily, he is willing to talk to me.
Okay.
So I ask him, this boy, what area should he improve?
Okay.
This is known as trap question.
Yes, sir, I understood. Because we should say positively only.
Which area should he improve? Very difficult.
Yes, sir.
पूछना easy है, बोलना तकलीफ.
Yes, sir.
Which quality? Do you get anger very quickly?
No, sir, I don't get angry. Get angry to customers or stuff because I will control. I will control because I know.
Do you fight with your staff members?
No, sir.
Repeatedly, a fellow has not been reaching targets, not presenting it, and he is coming late also quite often. How do you fight? How do you talk to him?
No, the thing is that actually if it happens daily. It happens daily. What we do is that we will try to motivate him. We will take him to a call myself. If after doing all these things nothing is working out, I will mark a mail to him so that the first step of making it official happens rather than fighting to him. Then giving him some time. Again, he's not working. Reporting to the HR. That's the normal practice.
It's a very good, very good. That I understand now. Good, good. Now here in this case, what will your boss tell me?
He will tell that I am overprotective for my staff.
Oh, you are rather supporting your staff too much.
Yes, sir.
Why are you doing it?
Because they are young chaps. So everybody needs someone to help them in their initial stage. No, nobody is a self-made man or something like that. Somebody might have helped for me also, for everyone. So as a boss, not a boss, I would like to rather call as a leader. As a leader, I used to protect them.
Good. So you feel rather you are doing them a good thing by favoring them.
Good thing means 100%. We cannot say that always protecting them reach somewhere. We need to take the stick somewhere, but we need to protect them also. It should be a balance. There should be a balance somewhere.
But what will happen if they start feeling here is a boss who will protect me for everything wrong I do, and so I can afford to commit mistakes? What will be that situation?
Protecting means everything I am taking blame. I will do everything. That's not the way. I will make them do and explain them what are the consequences, what are mistakes happens, or what can be the outcome, everything. But I will try to protect them to some extent. If something goes out of my hand, I cannot do anything.
Yeah. Now we will go to Bank of Maharashtra. We have not gone to Bank of Maharashtra at all. Oh. Why do you like it very much?
Because being a public sector bank, obviously, second thing is my father was a government servant. So he always dreamed of me becoming a public servant.
That's the reason.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Can you tell me who is the MD and CEO of our Bank of Maharashtra?
MD and CEO is Mr. Raji. He is from Kerala.
Oh, sure.
Sure, sir.
Oh, Rajiv.
Yes, sir.
Good. Who are the two executive directors? You know the name of Kerala man only and not others?
No, sir. I actually checked, but I couldn't recollect it now.
Just joking. Yeah, board of directors.
Right.
One is A.S. Rajiv, managing. Where was he? He was from which bank? No idea.
No idea, sir.
Hemant Kumar Tamta is the executive director.
Okay.
A.B. Vijay Kumar is another executive director.
Okay, sir.
How many branches are there in Bank of Maharashtra?
1883.
Huh?
1883.
1883.
Yes, sir.
What is the role of a chief vigilance officer?
Chief Vigilance Officer, the main role is that in branches there are, because we are dealing with public money, there are chances of frauds. As a vigilance officer, they should give time, from time to time, they should advise the branch what are the right practices, what are
Who
the
is the chief
restricted practices.
vigilance officer of Bank of Maharashtra? You don't know. Lakshmi Narayan Rath.
Okay, sir. I don't know.
Lakshmi Narayan Rath.
Okay, sir.
Very good. I have no objection that you really deserve the appointment. It is for them to decide. I
Okay,
wish
sir.
you best of luck unless
Okay,
you
sir.
have some questions to ask. Which date is your interview? Second,
Sir, August 3rd, sir.
3rd August. Very good, very good.
Okay.
In which place?
Bangalore.
Okay, best wishes. After
Thank you,
the
sir.
interview, kindly send me the list of questions.
Okay, sure, sir.
So best wishes. You are doing very well, but only thing, they should not enter into advances,
Okay.
and you try to take them only through deposits, deposit, branch management, deposit, then other insurance services like that. You take them
Okay,
so
sir.
that they will not enter into that area.
Okay.
You can manage it very well.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you. You are one among the guys who came yesterday and today had the interview. Great.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.